What's up, my LS crazy amigos? Your boy Terry, speaking from the garage shop once again. Here to offer you some more big bang for the buck product and info. Yeah. All right. I guess y'all, if you've been watching my videos, you know we're gonna put the LSA on the Trailblazer SS. Yeah. But before we do that, what we gotta do is we gotta make sure we can feed that newfound power that we're going to be getting. Because the Trailblazer SS, if I'm not correct, it was pushing 395 horsepower. Now, I'm not sure if it's at the crank or if it's at the wheels. But nonetheless, we're going to be pushing a whole lot more than that. So in order to feed that glorious newfound power, we got to kind of upgrade our fuel delivery game. In order to do that, we got to kind of upgrade the fuel pump. In order to do that, we had to pull the tank. And as you can see, the tank is out. Now, I never pulled the fuel tank out of a Trailblazer SS. So I looked online just to make sure and see if there's any surprises or anything like that. Now, you can find a lot of stuff for Trailblazers, but Trailblazer SSs is not that much. And it's kind of a different animal, but not. All right, so I'm gonna show you all the hoses that you're gonna have to disconnect and show you the way I was able to pull this tank out. And of course, I cleaned it and everything. But before we start, always practice safety, so do this in a well-ventilated area. Always have a fire extinguisher around just in case, and it should be a fire extinguisher for gas fires, so just in case something jumps off, you're prepared. Always drain the tank or either drive it to the point where there's almost no gas in it, no fuel in there, and you should be okay. First thing we should talk about is the hoses and the connectors on the hoses. Now, most GM cars, they went with this. Now, in order to separate these, okay, you're gonna have to twist it a little bit. And you see this black piece right here? What you're gonna do is you're gonna push it in. Now, this is a little bit easier because I have it in my hand than it would be under the car, but knowing is half the battle. G.I. Joe. But anyways, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna push this in and you'll wiggle it a little bit and it comes right out. Okay, now this is what's going on. See, when you push it, this is what it looks like. Now, when you push it, those two legs, they kind of separate, and that's what releases it. Because you got this little piece right here where the legs will grab onto it from behind. But to install it, snaps in, won't come out. Now here's the Trailblazer SS fuel tank. I took it out clean with all the vent lines still attached and everything, because you want to put it back the way it was. Now this is how it locks. This is the bucket. This is everything. We'll talk about that in a few minutes. But anyways, so this goes in and you got this ring that fits just like this, and you twist it down and it will lock that in place. Now the bucket has your fuel pump, it has a regulator, and I believe that's a fuel filter right in there. I'm not 100% sure. Now, if I was gonna use this bucket, I would change the fuel pump to a higher volume and end it. But I got something else in mind, that's for another video at a different time. But anyways, this is gonna be your feed right here. All right, now you also got your little float, which is for your fuel gauge to tell you if you got fuel, if you're full, or if you're empty. I checked and I did not find a fuel filter on this truck, an external one. So I think it's in here. But you best believe when we do it, there's gonna be an external fuel filter because you wanna change that fuel filter every now and then. All right, so that's all there is to this pump, and you got two connectors. So when you start to bring that tank down, make sure you unhook these two connectors, and then it'll allow you, and then you're gonna have these connectors, and it's gonna look like this. Remember? It's gonna look like that. That hold these together, just pop them off, and you should be golden. So that's it for removing the tank and the bucket, the fuel pump, and the regulator out of a Trailblazer SS. All right. Now, if you like these videos, hope you do. Check me out. You know what's up. Yo, subscribe, hit that button, hit the likes, because like I said, there is no me without you. And if you got any more comments, if you got any questions, if you want to see a video, let me know what's up. Because your brother, your boy will hook you up. All right. I want to give a big shout out to the Sweet Cherry crew for making me an honorary member. Hold on a sec. Let me turn it around. Hold on. There you go. Sweet Cherry crew. I feel like Bosley from Charlie's Angels, a whole bunch of beautiful women in this crew driving muscle cars and me just hanging out. Oh man, I think I done lost my mind. All right, but as always, please, as always, if you like what you see, you know what's up. I don't even have to even mention it. All right, looking at the clock on the wall, or should I say ceiling? It's time for me to head on off and do some more stuff. Get this truck running because I definitely want it running and get those results, and we're gonna take it for a little rip. All right, so as always, please be easy.